Erick and Kristin. It's your old friend Erick here. I just wanted to say a quick message to, first of all, once again, happy 23rd anniversary. And also just once again, thank you so much for letting me help tell your love story through this song, Pacific Ocean Eyes. I had so much fun writing it and working on it, and I love the song, I really do. And we love you guys so much as well. Y'all have just become a big part of our family, and y'all have been major blessings and just great friends, and you're great people. You have a great family, and we just are so happy that we know you. And I'll just say here's to 23 more years, and as Erick so eloquently put, here's to the peaks. The song's called Pacific Ocean Eyes. When I saw those Pacific Ocean eyes, to my surprise, I felt so fast. It was one of those easy summer nights, mid-July at Jillian's in Boston, Mass. I noticed you from across the room, then we made eye contact. I said, oh my Lord, gonna marry that girl. Gave you my heart, never got it back. You were unencumbered when you mouthed your number from your side of the bar. Next thing I knew, we were saying I do until death do us part. Well, we set sail at sunset from the sands of Newport Beach. Made love by the water, didn't care if anybody could see. I know I haven't made it easy, and we still got a ways to go. Floating that cold Charles River to the arms of the Pacific Coast. See the good in everything, and your strength is amazing to me. You can't handle your wine, but that'll be just fine, 'cause you'll always have a hold on me. Tireless devotion in a constant state of motion, always feeling someone else's needs. The sunshine all the time and the light of my life. You make me better just by loving me. Yeah, we set sail at sunset from the sands of Newport Beach. Made love by the water, didn't care if anybody could see. I know I haven't made it easy, and we still got a ways to go. Rolling that cold Charles River to the arms of the Pacific Coast. From the outfield seats at Fenway to the bright North Bay, we're still making waves. And we're both a little older now, and somehow I love you more with every passing day. Battled ups and downs, but couldn't be more proud of the daughters and the son we raised. You took this half-empty glass, filled it up at last with the beauty of the life we made. Yeah, we set sail at sunset from the sands of Newport Beach. Made love by the water, didn't care if anybody could see. And I know I haven't made it easy, and we still got a ways to go. Rolling that cold Charles River to the arms of the Pacific Coast. Yeah, for 23 years you stuck beside me, and we still got a ways to go. Floating that cold Charles River to the arms of the Pacific Coast. Yeah, floating that cold Charles River to the arms of the Pacific Coast. Much love, you guys.